At the time when I was building my house in 2001, I thought it would make sense to have my house built in a beautiful way in terms of design, but also in terms of home automation and integration of audio video. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any company who did that back in that time. So I thought, well, this could be exactly my future, because I could bring my knowledge from the information technology together with my passion for audio, video, and entertainment. Ended up in 2004 founding the company that we are here in now. Today we're 12 people and working in high-level smart home projects all over the world. Also building the most beautiful home cinemas for really challenging projects and challenging customers. On the one hand, we have the dedicated home theaters, but on the other hand, we also create beautiful systems for living rooms and other media rooms. It's a different challenge. We have a lot of ambient light. We need to use a projection and a screen that can absorb that kind of light. We have to bring all that technology, all those sound elements, maybe in one sideboard. So there's a huge challenge in terms of heat, in terms of ventilation and things like that, background noises, and also in terms of audio treatment. We are very, very limited. So we have to really maybe consult the customer on using carpets, on maybe using at least some curtains to do a little bit of absorption. We have the possibility sometimes to construct an acoustical ceiling. So we have quite some possibilities there. Oh, that was years ago. I was fascinated from the first moment on. I have never found any other company or seen anything that would even get close to matching the performance of a Trinnov system. So it's the understanding of the needs of a room, the total audio, the absorption of the materials and so on, but it's also then the possibility to adjust it to the client wishes. So you have a system that generally works perfectly. You have a beautiful curve and everything has been measured on spot. But then you have a customer that really loves music, really loves concerts, and he doesn't want the voices so edgy. So let's do a little bit of a dip in this respect. Then on the other hand, we can easily put a setting on for more action type of movies. And we can obviously also control that. So each of the presets would be easily configurable on the one side and also easily controllable from an external media control system, which is amazing. It sounds amazing, number one. There's nothing that comes near in terms of sound. Number two, the possibility to adjust everything perfectly to the settings of the room is just not reached by anyone in the industry. And number three, also for the integrator, the ease of use of the entire interface is just amazing. Trinnov also has become like a brand, a state-of-the-art brand that people would want. And I'm so glad that today the part of the sales for such a exclusive device is not as hard anymore, because we don't have to convince people that much anymore, because they know exactly what they're getting. We have a customer on our side and we try to satisfy him as much as possible. This means in order to keep that standard, we also have to have suppliers that in case of an emergency, in case of a problem, they would help us, and they would also help us maintain that service quality and that those expectations that our customer expect from us, you know. And in that respect, Trinnov is a fantastic partner. I mean, we've had projects, and David, for example, he came and would help us, would support us. And so for us, it doesn't end with buying the product. It's all about post-sales service. It's all about being informed about what's new. Really, in the end, it's all about relationship. And I'm really glad that we have that beautiful relationship with Trinnov.